Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 3-pack of, these are nebulizer tubes and replacement parts. So if you're doing the breathing treatments, you know, if you have like the asthma and whatnot, it's always good to get some replacements of these that are nice and clean. So I'll show you guys what these look like here. And you get 3 of these, the tubes. We get the breather, that's the breathing port here. This is some sort of Y connector. So we have 3 of each of these things. So 3 of the, and then these here are the, I guess where you connect it up to the device. So to make the nebulizing stuff. And then here is the tubes. So got all the different pieces and parts to connect it up. I'm gonna guess, I don't even know how these all connect up. I don't know, I don't do a nebulizer, so I really don't know for sure, but it's gonna be something with all this stuff. I guess different pieces connect into the things differently, but I'm not sure how. But if you look at it, it looks like they're well made, and they are the different pieces. You got this and this piece here. You can see it's got the little square on the inside there, and then this piece here. So got all the pieces, and then you got the big long tubes, and the tubes have the little ends on them as well. So you got 3 of everything. So you're all set for your clean new nebulizer stuff, so you can keep it all nice and good. So it's always good to replace medical equipment like this every once in a while. So thumbs up.